Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Hi, konnichiwa, Aro-sensei desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Previously, napag-aralan natin kung paano mag-conjugate ng verbs into volitional form. Ngayon, yung volitional form ng verb, i-add natin siya sa phrase na to omotte imasu at to omoimasu. Okay, so ano bang ibig sabihin ng volitional form plus to omotte imasu? Okay, so ginagamit natin ito para sabihin ang mga bagay na intention nating gawin or intend nating gawin at determinado nating gawin. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Mainichi 3 jikan Nihongo o benkyou shiyou to omotte imasu. So in here, instead of benkyou shimasu, ginawa natin siyang benkyou shiyou plus the phrase to omotte imasu. So it means I've decided or I'm going to study Japanese for 3 hours every day. So in here, it suggests that you have already decided to do something and the intention has continued up to now. Ibig sabihin, intention mo talaga itong gawin noon pa. And then hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin. Hindi nagbago yung intention mo na yon. Okay, which is mag-aral ng Nihongo 3 hours every day. Okay, next. Next, we also use volitional form plus to omotte imasu to express decisions that are already made. For example, Ryoshin kara 1万もらったんですか? Nani ni tsukaun desu ka? So, nakatanggap ka ng 10,000 yen from your parents. Anong paggagamitan mo nito? Okay? Kanji no jisho o kau to omotte imasu. Ibig sabihin, I will buy a kanji dictionary, which is a decision na already made. Okay, next. So, instead of omotte imasu, gagamitin naman natin ang omoimasu. So, if we do this, it suggests that the decision to perform the activity is being made on the spot at the time of speaking. So, on the spot ito na decision mo or intention mong gawin. Okay, for example, 1,000,000 yen agemashou. Nani ni tsukaimasu ka? Bibigyan kita ng 10,000 yen. Anong paggagamitan mo nito? And then, answer ng kausap mo on the spot. Kanji no jisho o kau to omoimasu. Okay, so gumamit siya ng to omoimasu instead of to omotte imasu because yung decision or yung determination niyang gawin yung isang bagay is made on the spot. Okay, next. We also use volitional form plus to omo or to omoimasu to express the speaker's intention to do something from now on or in the future. Okay, para express yung mga gusto nating gawin magmula ngayon or sa future. Okay, for example, Nihon no kaisha de hatarakou to omoimasu. I intend or I will work in a Japanese company. Okay, so intention po siya. Now, if we use the verb present tense plus to umo, so careful po tayo dito, instead of intention, magiging prediction na ito. So for example, Nihon no kaisha de hataraku to umo. Instead of hatarakou, which is a volitional form, we used hataraku. So this time, this is a prediction instead of intention. So it would mean na, I think I will be working for a Japanese company. Okay, and that's it for now for volitional forms plus to omotte imasu or to omoimasu. Hai, Aro-sensei desu. Domo arigatou gozaimasu.